With cryptocurrency back on the headlines, scammers are also back, and now these scammers are attacking Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, and they've been stealing people's Bitcoin and Ethereum. What's up everybody, I am Jaspreet Singh from theminorityMindset.com, where money minds rethink rich. Coinbase is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges out there, and they went public on the stock market in April 2021, and right now at the time we're recording this video, they're valued at right around $65 billion. The way it works is like a lot of cryptocurrency exchanges. You create an account, you can buy whatever cryptocurrency you want, and when you buy this cryptocurrency, you can leave it in Coinbase or you can move it out to a different wallet. Well, a lot of people, especially people who are newer to cryptocurrency, leave the cryptocurrency in Coinbase because it's kind of like a stock brokerage. If you go into your stock brokerage, whether you're using Robinhood or E-Trade or TD Ameritrade, you buy stocks and then these stocks sit in your stock brokerage. You don't think about taking these stocks and moving them somewhere else. They just sit in your stock brokerage. But with cryptocurrency, sometimes it can be a little bit different. Cryptocurrency has always been a hot target for scammers because once you do a cryptocurrency transaction, you cannot reverse it, and cryptocurrency is real currency. Well, that can be a very painful mistake. Let me show you what I mean by reading you a CNBC article. So this article talks about users who use Coinbase to buy and store the cryptocurrency, and they've seen the cryptocurrency get robbed right in front of them. One of the thousands of victims on Coinbase is Tanja, which said that she owned something around $168,000 worth of cryptocurrency, and now it is all gone. She invested her money into cryptocurrency back in 2017, and she saw her money grow by 4 times over the last 4 years. So she started with something like $40,000 investing in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and over the last 4 years, she saw this money grow to more than $160,000, and then one day that money was gone. It went all the way down to zero because somebody hacked her account and they stole all of her cryptocurrency from her Coinbase account. Now, the reason why some of these stories are hitting headlines right now is not just because people are saying their cryptocurrencies get stolen, it's also because of the customer support that they've been receiving, because the victims are saying that the customer support that they're getting sucks. So let's talk about what's going on, but before we get into that, I need you to do me a quick favor and smash that thumbs up button below. And if you haven't already, be sure to join our free Discord server called the Guac Talk community, because as we all know, extra guac is truly a symbol of extra wealth, and in this community you can chat about all things minority mindset, from stock market investing to cryptocurrency investing to real estate investing and all things building wealth. This community is completely free, so if you want to join our free Guac Talk community and chat with and network with other minority mindset thinkers, I'll put the link to how you can join our Discord server in the description below. Cryptocurrency over the years has really gained a lot of popularity back from the 2017 boom that we saw. Back in 2017, when we saw the huge rise and crash, there was a lot of uncertainty as to what cryptocurrency was and if there was any future to cryptocurrency. But now people have really started to warm up to the idea of cryptocurrency, and they understand that there are real implications and uses with cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency is supposed to be a decentralized worldwide digital currency. Essentially what that means is now you have money which extends across borders. It's the same in the United States as it is in Mexico, as it is in India, as it is in China. It's all the same currency. So you don't got to worry about exchange rates. You don't got to worry about how you're going to transfer money, because this money is international and you can use it to buy things, or you're supposed to be able to use it to buy things. Although you can't readily use cryptocurrency to shop everywhere, it is growing across the world. We just hired a new writer for our blog, theminorityMindset.com, and this writer lives overseas. It's our first writer who is overseas because most of our other writers are in the States. But this writer reached out to us and he has a lot of really good experience and he has a really good tone of writing, so we decided to hire him. The problem was, how do we pay somebody who is working overseas? Because he couldn't accept PayPal because wherever he was, PayPal doesn't work. And then we tried using something called TransferWise, which usually has worked for me before, but for whatever reason, he couldn't get it set up, so we couldn't use TransferWise, and so I couldn't send him money. He was doing work for me and I couldn't figure out how to get money to him. And that's when I asked him, hey, can I just send you some cryptocurrency? So after weeks of trying to figure out how to pay him, in 5 minutes, once I got his cryptocurrency address, I sent him the money and he received it in a matter of minutes. So now when we're talking about a global economy which is becoming more real than ever, especially with people working from home, so now you can work for a company in the States and live anywhere in the world, it becomes easier for you to transfer money from one place to another by using something like cryptocurrency, because now it's easier, it's cheaper, and it's faster. And then if you look beyond just the financial aspects of cryptocurrency, being able to send money, you also have the technology that you get with blockchain, which allow you to protect, encrypt, and store data, and allows you to create things like NFTs. So now you can monetize and create digital assets that you can sell. You can think of it kind of like creating a whole new internet where you have the ability to own a piece of the internet where you didn't have the ability to do that before, because now you can create something like an image and you can own this image on the internet, and if people use it, now they can pay you a licensing fee. So cryptocurrency has a lot of potential upside and a lot of potential benefits. The downside with cryptocurrency is one, the volatility, because you have a lot of greed and speculation behind cryptocurrency and a lot of debt behind cryptocurrency, even from people that might not necessarily understand it. And then you have the scams. If you got a hold of my wallet and you took out my credit card and you go shopping at the Gucci store and you swipe and you swipe and you swipe and then you spend all of my money on my credit card, well, I would still be okay, because now I can just call up a credit card company and I can say, hey, my credit card got stolen, and then they would reverse the transactions and give me my money back, and I won't have to pay any money because the credit card gives me that insurance. With cryptocurrency, you don't get that insurance yet. So if you have cryptocurrency in an account somewhere and I can find a way to hack into your account, and I go into your account and then I send this cryptocurrency in your account to me, well, now that transaction is not reversible, and your money, your cryptocurrency, is gone. If you wanted to do the same thing in my stock account, it's not so easy, because then you have to log into my stock account, and then once you get access to it, you'll have to sell my stocks. Once you sell my stocks, now you're gonna have my cash in my stock account, and then you gotta take this cash and wire it to your own account. And if you wanna wire this cash to your own account, you're gonna have to add a new bank account to my stock brokerage, which might take 3 days or 7 days to get approval. And then once this new bank account gets approved, then you can wire all this money to your own account. So there's a lot more steps if you want to hack into someone's stock account and pull their money out into your account. It's not impossible, but it's a lot harder because there's so many more steps and there's more opportunity for you to come in and stop this from happening. With cryptocurrency, it doesn't really work like that, because if you keep your cryptocurrency in your exchange account, like if you go into Coinbase, you buy some Bitcoin, you buy some Ethereum, and it's just sitting there in your Coinbase account. Now, if somebody else can get access into your Coinbase account, they hack into your account, now all they gotta do is just enter in which wallet address they wanna send this money to, and then they can send this money over to them. Now, not only can you not get that money back, but it's really hard to trace cryptocurrency transactions, which makes it a lot harder for you to figure out how you can get that money back. This is the same problem that thousands of people on Coinbase have faced, because they have money in their cryptocurrency account, it gets hacked, and then somebody takes their cryptocurrency out of their Coinbase account, and now they can't get their money back. Now, this issue is not unique to Coinbase. This is an issue across Coinbase exchanges, but Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange, and it is a public company, so they're probably going to be the ones that get the most heat. And now, because people have been reaching out to the Coinbase customer support and they've been getting very little support, that makes it even more press-worthy. The thing that I want you to understand is that if you have cryptocurrency, you need to protect your cryptocurrency. That means what you need to do is you want to get an external wallet where now you're keeping your cryptocurrency, that your cryptocurrency is safe from these type of attacks. The way you can protect your cryptocurrency is by getting your cryptocurrency wallet, and in general, you have two different types of cryptocurrency wallets. You have hot wallets, and then you have cold wallets. What a hot wallet is something that is typically digital. You're gonna open up an account with a cryptocurrency storage wallet online, and then you're gonna pay money here, and because you're paying money here, you're getting access to more security for your cryptocurrency. So now your cryptocurrency is more secure than just keeping it in some exchange. A cold wallet is something that is physical. So this is where you get something like a USB drive, and then you take your cryptocurrency and you're gonna put it onto this USB drive, and then you take it off of the internet. So the only way that somebody could steal money from a cold wallet is if they take your physical drive and then they have the access codes to your drive. So personally, I use one of these. I use something called a nano ledger. And the way it works is anytime I buy cryptocurrency, I take the cryptocurrency and then I move it from the exchange into my wallet, and then I take my wallet and I remove it from the computer, and now this wallet sits in a box where now the only way you can access this is if you have access to the box and you have access to the codes. Then if I want to send this cryptocurrency to somebody else, I plug it in, enter my codes, then you move this cryptocurrency back into the exchange, and then you can move the cryptocurrency wherever you want. And it's a little bit of a hassle because now your money is on a physical wallet, even though you're doing something completely digital, but it does protect you because the only way someone can access it is if they have the physical wallet. Hot wallets still give you a lot of security. There's a ton of them out there, but again, the risk here is that if somebody breaks into the hot wallet, if somebody can break into the security system, well, then your cryptocurrency is still at risk, but it's not as likely as just keeping it in your exchange somewhere. This isn't going to be the last time that you hear of big exchanges getting hacked into and people losing their Bitcoin, their Ethereum, and their other cryptocurrencies. This will probably continue to happen happen, and this will also lead to more lawsuits and it'll lead to more exchanges creating more protections. But what you want to do, especially if you are an investor or owner of cryptocurrency, is you want to protect yourself by using something like a wallet, and you want to make sure that you're doing your research and you're not just relying on your brokerage to protect you, because your brokerage or your exchange's job is just to help you transfer cryptocurrency, or it's supposed to help you buy cryptocurrency or sell cryptocurrency. And so you got to understand, are you using it to protect your cryptocurrency and hold your cryptocurrency, or are you using it to exchange your cryptocurrency? And for Coinbase, well, they're probably going to be on the hot seat for a while because they are the king of exchanges right now, and they're probably going to have to fight some really expensive lawsuits which might change the way that cryptocurrencies work in the future. So this is something you want to pay attention to, especially if you are an owner of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, here's the video on things you need to know if you want to build wealth. And while you're at it, download our free guide on how to start generating passive income. And as always, keep hustling. And you go to the checkout page, and then it says, do you want to pay for this sweater later? Because now all you got to do is pay for this $80 sweater in 3 installments, and you don't even realize the small interest that you're going to pay on it.